Students, welcome to Narayan PU College. In last session, we have discussed up to question number 24. Now, question number 25. If Z1 lies in the circle mod Z is equal to 3 and x plus iy is equal to Z1 plus 1 by Z1, then locus of Z is. So clearly they have given here modulus of Z is equal to 3. So modulus of that R is equal to also 3. So let here Z is equal to or Z1 is equal to R into cos theta plus I sin theta. Already we know that it is a polar form. R value 3 cos theta plus I sin theta. Substitute x plus iy is equal to z1 plus 1 by z1. What is z1? 3 into cos theta plus I sin theta plus 1 divided by 3 into cos theta plus I sin theta. Here 3 into cos theta plus I sin theta. Here, so already we know that 1 by cos theta plus I sin theta is equal to cos theta minus I sin theta. Here plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole divided by 3. We have to take 3 LCM. I mean what we get here 9 multiply cos theta plus I into 9 sin theta plus cos theta minus I sin theta whole divided by 3. Here x plus iy is equal to 9 cos theta plus cos theta 10 cos theta plus I9 sin theta minus I sin theta plus 8I sin theta whole divided by 3. Here separating real parts and imaginary parts, 10 cos theta whole divided by 3 plus I into 8 sin theta whole divided by 3. Comparing here real parts and imaginary parts, x is equal to 10 cos theta divided by 3 and y is equal to 8 sin theta whole divided by 3. But cos theta is equal to 3x by 10, sin theta is equal to 3y by 8. Already we know that the condition by trigonometric identities, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, but here cos theta 3x, it can be okay, right? It can written like this, x by 10 by 3. So cos theta is equal to x by 10 by 3, sin theta is equal to y divided by 8 by 3. Both are same, but we know that the trigonometric conditions, cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Now cos value x by 10 by 3, we have to write directly x square by 100 by 9 plus y square by 64 divided by 9 is equal to 1. So already we know that the general equation, the general form of the ellipse is x square plus x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So comparing this condition here, a square value 100 by 9, b square value by 64 by 9. Therefore, it is a form of the ellipse. So it is a form of, it is in the form of, it is in the form of ellipse. Here the option C is the correct option. Option C is correct option. Next question. Question number 26. If z is equal to pi by 4 1 plus I whole power 4 into 1 minus square root of pi into I divided by square root of pi plus I plus square root of pi minus I divided by 1 plus square root of pi into I. Then modulus of z divided by amplitude or argument both are same. Modulus of z divided by amplitude of z. Listen here, the solution z is equal to, we have to write directly, pi by 4 into 1 plus I whole power 4. Here 1 minus square root of pi into I whole divided by, here we have to take common I. So what will we get? Directly we have to write. So what do we get? Root pi by I plus 1. So root pi by I, 1 by I value minus I, you can directly 1 minus I root pi plus root pi minus I. Here also in denominator we have to take common I. Here also we are getting, we have taken common I. Here 1 by I plus root pi, 1 by I value minus I. So minus I plus root pi we have to write directly root pi minus I. So now here 1 minus root pi I, 1 minus I root pi. So root pi I minus I, root pi minus I, we have to cancel. Remaining z is equal to pi by 4. Here 1 plus I whole square. You have to write, we are getting same thing. 1 plus I whole square, so we are getting 1 plus I whole power 4. So remaining 1 by I plus 1 by I. So here pi by 4. What we get? 1 plus I square value, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So I square value we are getting, right, minus 1 plus 2I whole square. Here minus I, means already we know that the condition 1 by I value minus I, pi by 4 plus minus get cancel, remaining 2I whole square, 4I square. So 4I square value, 4 into I square value minus 1. So here minus 2I. So here 4 get cancel, remaining pi into minus 1 into minus 2I. We are getting 2I into 2I. Write directly I into 2 pi. We have to getting value of z. Then we have to find the modulus of z divided by amplitude of z. Then modulus of z is equal to square root of, it is a form of 0 plus I 2 pi. It can be written as directly 0 plus 2 pi whole square. It can be written as like this, 0 plus I 2 pi. So here what we get? Modulus of z is equal to square root of 2 pi whole square. Square root get cancelled, remaining what we get here? Mod z is equal to 2 pi. Then here we have to find the amplitude of z. Amplitude nothing but argument of z. So the argument of z we have to find first theta value. So here theta is equal to, what is the formula? Theta is equal to tan inverse of modulus of y by x or modulus of b by a. So theta is equal to tan inverse of, here y value 2 pi, x value 0. So theta is equal to not defined value, theta value pi by 2, but here plus the argument of z is equal to theta. The first quadrant, the argument of z is equal to theta. Here theta value pi by 2. So argument or amplitude both are same. So amplitude of z is equal to theta. So it is pi by 2. Then we have to find the modulus of z divided by amplitude of z. It can be written as like this. The modulus of z here 2 pi divided by pi by 2. 2 to pi by get cancelled. Remember numerator we are getting 2. 2 into 2 we are getting 4. The option should be D as the correct option. option D is correct option. This question number 27. Argument of the complex number. The argument of the complex number. So we have to argument. So z is equal to argument of complex number tan 1 minus I whole square. We have to where z is equal to like this. We have taken z is equal to tan 1 minus I whole square. They have given the argument of the complex number. So argument of z is equal to, where do we know that argument of z power n is equal to n into argument of that. Do you know that this condition here? So I have to write directly 2 into applying argument on both sides. So 2 into argument of tan n minus I. But here the z value should be tan 1 minus I have taken. So here z is equal to tan 1 minus I. So they given argument of z is equal to like this. I have taken, so argument of z like this, here I have taken here, but z value here tan 1 minus I. So here we have to find argument of this one. So here theta is equal to tan inverse of modulus of y by x. But here tan inverse of y value minus 1 divided by tan of 1. So here tan inverse of modulus, we have taken modulus to 1 by tan 1, 1 by 2 we have taken as cot 1. So here tan inverse of, a cot it written as, so tan of pi by 2 minus 1. So already we know that tan of 90 minus theta is a cot theta, already we know that in trigonometry. So tan inverse will get cancelled, remaining pi by 2 minus 1, but this value, but here x value plus y value minus, it goes on fourth quadrant. So here the argument of z is equal to minus theta. So minus theta here, the theta value what here? So minus pi by 2 plus 1. Again substitute here. So argument of z is equal to minus 2 into argument value minus pi by 2 plus 1. Okay, we have directly 2 into, no need of minus here. So multiply minus 2 pi by 2 plus 2 to get cancelled, remaining 2 minus pi. So here the option A is the correct option. We are getting option A is correct option. So this question number 28. The argument of the complex number sine of 6 pi by 5 plus I into 1 plus cos of 6 by 5 is. So students here, so we know that the condition, the principal value lies between less than or equal to pi, greater than minus pi. Already we know that condition. So let's check it here. So here it is in 6 pi by 5. See, it is a greater than the principal value. So you have to make it in the principal value. Here it can be written as, we have taken z is equal like this. So z is equal to sine of pi plus pi by 5. So we are getting same thing. We are taking LCM here, 5 plus pi, we are getting 6 pi by 5 plus I into 1 plus cos of pi plus pi by 5. already we know that the principal value lies on minus pi to plus pi. Here z is equal to sine of 180 plus theta, we know that minus sine theta, but here theta value pi by 5 minus sine pi by 5 plus I into 1. Here cos of 180 plus theta, already we know that the cos of 180 plus theta is a minus cos theta, but here in theta value pi by 5, but taken minus cos of pi by 5. So here we have to find the argument of z. Then here theta is equal to tan inverse of modulus of y by x or b by a. Theta is equal to tan inverse of modulus of, here y value 1 minus cos pi by 5 divided by minus sin pi by 5. Now here theta is equal to, we are eliminating minus sign here, tan inverse of 1 minus cos pi by 5 divided by sin pi by 5. Now here tan inverse of, so 1 minus, already we know that of angles in trigonometry, so cos theta here in terms of y we have written as 1 minus 2 sin square pi by 2 into 5, pi by 10, right, modulus we have taken modulus only, here we have taken minus, divided by minus 2 sin, we are taking modulus here, sorry, minus 2 sin pi by 10 into cos pi by 10. Now here tan inverse of modulus of multiplied here 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square pi by 10 whole divided by minus 2 sin pi by 10 into cos of pi by 10. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, again 2 to get cancelled, remaining what good, sin pi by 10, 1 square get cancelled, remaining what we get here, tan inverse of modulus of sin pi by 10 by cos pi by 10, we are getting minus tan pi by 10, but here we have taken modulus here, negative sign will be eliminated, here remaining what we get, tan inverse of tan pi by 10. So tan is going to get cancelled, remaining we are getting pi by 10. But here we have to find the argument value. So the argument value here, observe here, minus plus, in which it goes on in second quadrant. In second quadrant, the x-axis is minus x value, minus y value, plus we have to getting here the argument of z is equal to pi minus theta. So here theta is the argument value we are getting here, pi minus pi by 10. We have to write 9 pi by 10. We have to take LCM 10 pi minus pi by 10. 10 pi minus pi, 9 pi by 10. Here the option C is the correct option. Option C is. Question number 29. So it is a man walks a distance of 3 units from the origin towards the north to east, okay, direction. From there he walks a distance of 4 units towards the north to west direction, 45 degree direction, to reach a point P. The point P in the Argand plane is, so here, so first we have to take it like this. North, the south direction, here we have taken north, south, okay, north, south, east, west already we know that. Here A man walks a distance of 3 units from the origin towards north to east. So it is the origin point. A man walks a distance. A man walks a distance 3 units. It is distance 3 units from origin towards the north to east at a direction of pi by 4 angle. It is in a point we have taken. It is a point at a distance like this. We have taken the point A. Again, from there he walks a distance of 4 units towards the north to west. Here again it distance from 4 units. Again like the north side, distance from 4 units. So we have taken the point P. The distance is 4 units. Then the position of P in the 4 units to direction to reach the point P. Then the position of P in the Argand plane is. Then we have to find the position of this point. We have to take OP bar. So already here it's an angle 45 degree. So but it's an angle 45. We are getting here the angle 90 degree. But here we have to do OP. OP bar is equal to OA plus AP or PA bar. But here, so already we know that in Argand plane, so it is a formula already we know that Z is equal to R into e power 8 theta. It is a Euler's form. We substitute here. So already we know that if it moves like this, so here it is an angle pi minus pi by 4 in this side. Now here, so north to west, here OA bar here. So 4 into the distance R value, it is in the value R, it is the magnitude value R into e power pi minus pi by 4. I into pi minus pi by 4 plus AP. Okay, sorry here. Let's change here, no problem. OAP. Both are same. Again, OP here. Sorry, OA. 3 into e power I into pi by 4. Now here it can be written like this: 4 into 4 pi minus pi. We are getting e power I into 3 pi by 4 plus 3 into e power I pi by 4. It can be written like this: 3 into e power I into pi by 4 plus 4 into e into I power I into 3 pi by 4. It can be written as 3 into pi by 4 plus 4 into here e power I into, it can be written as like this: 3 pi by 4 pi by 4 into e power pi by 2 here we have to take common 3 e power I into pi by 4 remaining 3 plus 4 into e power pi by 2 but here so I do e power 3. So here it must e power I into 3 pi by splitting like this: e power I pi by 4 into e power I pi by 2. So here you know that the condition e power I into pi by 4 3 plus 4 into, so we know that the condition e power I pi by 2. So already we know that e power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta, but here theta value pi by 2 cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. But already we know that the cos pi by 2 value is 0 plus I into sin pi by 2 value 1, I into 1 I, we are getting e power I pi by 2 is the I into here 4I. So here option 3 is the correct option. Sir, option D. Option D is the correct option. So e power I power I pi. This question number 30. Number of non-zero interval values of x for which modulus of 1 minus I power x is equal to 2 power x is here. So modulus of 1 minus I whole power x is equal to 2 power x. Already we know the modulus value, square root of 1 plus 1 square plus, so 1 minus 1 over square means 1 square. So whole power x is equal to 2 power x. So square root of 1 square 1 plus 1 we get is square root of 2. Square root of 2 whole power x is equal to 2 power x. So 2 power x by 2 is equal to 2 power x. Comparing the powers here, x by 2 is equal to x. So x is equal to 2x, but 2x minus x is equal to 0, but x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is the answer, but here in options again wrong options, we have to correct the A option is we have taken 0. So option A is the correct option, x is equal to 0. So you change the option A, in place upon we have taken 0. Option A changes the 0. Question number 31. If omega minus omega bar z divided by 1 minus z is purely real, where omega is equal to alpha plus I beta, but beta is not equal to 0 and z is not equal to 1, then the set of values of z is. So they are given purely real. So the condition z is equal to z bar. It is getting the condition we are getting the purely real value. Here that value omega minus omega bar z divided by 1 minus z is equal to omega minus omega bar z by, we have taken directly z bar by 1 minus z whole bar. Here omega minus omega bar z divided by 1 minus z is equal to omega bar. Already we know that z1 minus z2 whole bar is equal to z bar minus z1 bar, z1 bar minus z2 bar. Here omega bar minus omega bar whole bar means omega into z bar divided by 1 minus z bar. Cross multiplication here, omega minus omega bar z into 1 minus z bar is equal to omega bar minus omega z bar into 1 minus z. So multiplied here, omega into 1 omega minus omega into z bar minus omega bar into z minus to minus plus omega bar into z bar is equal to here omega bar into 1 omega bar into minus z minus omega bar into z minus to minus, okay, here minus into 1 minus of omega into z bar minus to minus plus omega into z bar. Here minus omega bar z minus omega bar z will get cancelled. Again minus omega z bar minus omega z bar get cancelled. So remaining here omega I take this side minus omega bar plus omega bar into z into z bar. Take this side minus omega into z bar is equal to 0. Omega minus omega bar plus here I have take common z into z bar, remaining omega bar minus omega into z bar is equal to 0. Here we have take common omega minus omega bar. So observe here we have take common omega minus omega bar, but here omega bar minus omega. So we are getting here minus, so minus 1 minus z into z bar is equal to 0, because here omega minus omega bar, but here omega bar minus omega, we have take common omega minus omega bar, 1 it change, sign should be changes minus z into z bar is equal to 0. Here omega minus omega bar is not equal to 0, we know clearly, but here 1 minus z into z bar is equal to 0, z into z bar is equal to, we are getting 1. Here already we know that z into z bar value modulus of z square is equal to 1, then mod z is equal to 1, but having the condition, but z is not equal to 1, then it can be in the set form. So z such that modulus of z is equal to 1, but z is not equal to 1. Here option D is the correct option. Option D is correct option. Next question number 32. If modulus of z1 plus modulus of z2 is equal to modulus of z1 minus z2, then the difference in the amplitudes of z1 and z2 is. Here, so we know that the condition z1 plus z2 whole square, you know the formula. Here modulus of z1 square plus modulus of z2 square plus 2 into modulus of z1 into z2 into cos theta. In modulus of z1 minus another formula, z2 whole square is equal to, we are applying squaring, we are getting same thing. So modulus of z1 plus z2 whole square is equal to modulus of z1 minus z2 whole square. Here modulus of z1 whole square plus modulus of z2 whole square minus 2 into modulus of z1 into modulus of z2 into cos theta. Here we have taken from equation number 1, from 1 becomes, so modulus of z1 plus z2 whole square, getting like this, modulus of z1 whole square plus z2 whole square plus 2 into modulus of z1 modulus of z2 into cos theta is equal to modulus of z1 whole square plus modulus of z2 whole square minus 2 into modulus of z1 into z2 into cos theta. But here, so z1 square get cancelled, modulus of z2 square, modulus of z2 get cancelled, remaining we can take this side, we are getting plus 4 into modulus of z1 into z2 cos theta is equal to 0, but this value is not equal to 0, so this value is not equal to 0, remaining cos theta is equal to 0, but theta value pi by 2. Here option C is the correct option. Option C is correct option. This question number 33. If z1, z2, z3 are three complex numbers and A is equal to, so determinant of It indicates determinant. We have discussed in we will discuss in second year. So argument of z1, argument of z2, argument of z3, argument of z2, argument of z3, argument of z1, argument of z3, argument of z1, argument of z2. Then A is divisible by, so it indicates a determinant of. So here, so it indicates vertical, it indicates row form, it indicates column. It horizontal should be indicates rows, and vertical lines indicates columns. So we will discuss in second year in chapter of determinants. Here, so R1, so R1 tends to R1 plus R2 plus R3. So it is the R1 row 1, it is the row 2, it is the row 3. Here A is equal to determinant of R1. So argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2 plus argument of Z3. Here argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2 plus argument of Z3. Again argument of Z2 plus argument of Z3 plus argument of Z1. Again here argument of Z3 plus argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2. And argument of Z2, argument of Z3, argument of Z1, argument of Z3, argument of Z1, argument of Z2. So in first row I have take common argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2 plus argument of Z3. I have take common argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2 plus argument of Z3 in first row. So we have take common argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2 plus argument of Z3, remaining 1 argument of Z2, argument of Z3, argument of Z1, argument of Z3, argument of Z1, argument of Z2. So already we know that, so argument of Z1 into Z2 into Z3 is equal to argument of Z1 plus argument of Z2 plus argument of Z3. Properties of the arguments we know that it can be written as A is equal to argument of Z1, Z2, Z3, 1, argument of Z1, argument of Z3, argument of Z1, argument of Z3, argument of Z1, argument of Z2. So here A is divisible by. So here A is divisible. I have divisible by argument of Z1 into Z2 into Z3. So further solve we have get solution, but they have given options only. So argument of Z1 into z2 into z3. Therefore, we have to divisible, a is divisible by argument of z1 into z2 into z3. Here the option B is the correct option. Option B is correct option. Next question, the equation, question number 34. The equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, but 0 is less than a is less than b is less than c has non-real complex roots z1 and z2. So, non-real complex roots clearly they are conjugate to each other. So, z1 is equal to z2 bar or modulus of z1 is equal to modulus of z2. Here, so have taken the conjugate to each other, z1 into z2 bar is equal to, so we know that the product of roots and sum of roots, the product of roots of a quadratic equation. So, c by a, here c by a, it is greater than 0. So, z into z bar, so z into z2 bar, so greater than 1. Happen, sir. z1 into z2 bar c by a is greater than 1. Here z1 the product of roots, so z1 into z2 is equal to c by a is greater than 1, but z1 into z2, so z1 what is given, z2 bar, we have taken z2 bar into z2 is greater than 1, so it can be modulus of z2 square is greater than 1, then modulus of z2 is greater than 1, but modulus of z1 is equal to modulus of z2, so it can be written as modulus of z1 also greater than 1. Then the option D is the correct option, because here modulus of z2 greater than 1 and modulus of z1 is greater than 1. The option D, it can be written like this, modulus of z1 greater than 1, comma, modulus of z2 greater than 1. Option D is the correct option. Again, question number 35. Question number 35. If iz cube plus z square minus z plus I is equal to 0, where I is equal to square root of minus 1, then modulus of z is equal to, here solution, here we have to take common z square, remaining iz, okay, sorry, we have taken iz square, take common iz square, here z minus I, because z square by I z square, that's why it get cancelled, remaining 1 by I we getting minus I. Here we have to take common minus 1, remaining z minus I is equal to 0. Now z minus I into I z square minus 1 is equal to 0. Now here, so I z square minus 1 is equal to 0, but z minus I is equal to 0, but z is equal to I. But here we have to find modulus of z, then modulus of z, here modulus of z is equal to square root of 0 plus 1 square 1. So modulus of z is equal to square root of 0 plus 1, square root of 1 we are getting 1. So modulus of z is equal to 1, here option A is the correct option. So you no need of this one. If square root of 8 plus I whole power 50 is equal to 3 power 49 into a plus ib, then the value of a square plus b square. Here I have to taking both side and modulus and squaring on both side. Taking modulus, okay, so taking modulus on both sides. What do we get here? The square root of 8 whole square plus 1 square 1 is equal to 3 power 49 into here whole power 50. 3 power 49 into square root of a square plus b square. Now we are getting square root of 8 square root get cancelled into 8 plus 1 square root of 9 whole power 50 is equal to 3 power 49 into square root of a square plus b square. So here square root of 9 3 power 50 is equal to 3 power 49 the square root of a square plus b square. So 3 power 49 into 3 is equal to 3 power 49 into square root of a square plus b square. 3 power 49 3 power 49 get cancelled, remaining square root of a square plus b square is equal to 3. We want square a square plus b square. We are squaring on both sides. We are getting a square plus b square is equal to 9. Option B is the correct option. Option B is the correct option. This question number 37. The area represented by real Z is less than or equal to 2 imaginary of Z is less than or equal to 2 and pi by 8 is less than or equal to argument of Z is less than or equal to 3 pi by 8 is here the area represented by, okay, here let Z is equal to x plus iy be a complex number, then argument of Z. So argument of Z here tan inverse of modulus of y by x, but here tan inverse of y by x. So here we have to find pi by 8 is less than or equal to argument of Z is less than or equal to 3 pi by 8, but they have given real part of Z 2 and imaginary of Z is 2. Here x dash y dash. Here the real part of Z is equal to 2. Real value 2 like this, and imaginary value, it is the imaginary part, value 2. So this distance 2 as to 2, then pi by 8 is less than or equal to here. So pi by 8 is less than or equal to argument of Z. So tan it lies on first quadrant only. So take directly tan inverse of y by x. So tan inverse of y by x is less than or equal to 3 pi by 8, but tan pi by 8 is less than or equal to tan inverse y by x is less than or equal to tan 3 pi by 8. Here, so tan pi by 8 here, the angle lies between, so 3 pi by 8 to 3 pi by 8. So it is the origin. The points A, B, C. Here, the angle like this. The point P, it makes an angle, so pi by 8. So another one, it less than or equal to 3 pi by 8. Taken the Q. So we have to find this region. Triangle also pi by 8. Here, the area of the required area is the area of the area of the square of the OABO minus the 2 times of area of the POA. First, we have to find the area of the triangle POA. Area of triangle POA. Here, so tan pi by 8. Tan pi by 8 is equal to tan pi by 8, the opposite by adjacent, PA by adjacent value 2, but PA is equal to 2 into tan pi by 8. Then we have to find the area, the required area. Required area is equal to the area of the square of O A B C minus here, so 2 times of area of POA. Here the area of the square of OB, it is 4. The area should be, area of the sides of the square should be 4. 4 minus 2 into area of POA. So here we are getting area here. So 2, so area half into base into height. So here 1 by 2 into, here from area of a triangle POA. So here the area of a triangle POA, so we don't know the value of PA, height. So here, so we know that tan pi by 8 is equal to, we know that opposite by adjacent, so PA by 2. So PA is equal to 2 into tan of pi by 8. Then here the required area. So here the required area, the area should be 2 required. The area of the square of OABC is the sides of the, here is 4, then 2 into here the area of POA is equal to the area of QOC. Both are same, that we have to take 2 times of area of POA. The area of POA is base half into base into height. Here half into base here OA, height PA. Here 4 minus 2 into 1 by 2 into OA. So OA value 2 into PA. And we know that PA 2 tan of pi by 8. So here 2 get cancelled. Remaining 4 minus 2 into 2. 2 to the 4 tan pi by 8, we have take common 4, remaining 1 minus tan pi by 8. Here option, okay, 4 minus 4 tan pi by 8. The option B is the correct option. So option B is the correct option. 4 minus 4 tan pi by 8 is the correct option. Option B is the correct option.